can tell you about your health. Number 1. Yellow nails can be caused by fungal infections or nicotine from smoking. Nail biting may also lead to yellow discoloration due to bacteria and keratin debris. Number 2. White spots, usually a result of damage to the nail. They can also indicate nutrient deficiencies, chemical exposure, bacterial infections, or number 3, underlying health issues like diabetes or kidney disease. Dry skin and nail psoriasis are other possible causes. Number 4, cracked or brittle nails, common in older adults due to reduced keratin production. Can also be caused by trauma or certain medications, including those for psoriasis and antifungals. Number 5, discolored nails. Splinter hemorrhages can cause blue or purple discoloration due to injury. However, discolored nail lines, especially dark streaks, could indicate melanoma, a type of skin cancer. Number 6, pitted nails. Small indentations on nails, often associated with psoriasis, eczema, or other skin conditions. Overuse of nail polish remover can also cause pitting. Number 7, ridged nails. May be a sign of damaged cuticles, skin infection, vitamin deficiencies, or autoimmune diseases. Repeated trauma leading to blood clots